Hi, come to A. Chandra Rao, biology teacher. Today I am explaining to you a small activity, that is the presence of starch. The presence of starch, a type of carbohydrate in leaves. This is the activity. So, aim to test the presence of starch in leaves. Materials required: beaker, boiling water, leaf, methylated spirit, boiling tube, asbestos gas, tripod stand, Bunsen burner, tincture iodine solution or betadine solution, petri dish. All these are important materials for this activity. Procedure: let us take a thin and soft leaf from a plant well exposed to sunlight. Boil the leaf in a methylated spirit over the water bath till it becomes pale white due to removal of chlorophyll from the leaf. Observe the leaf. Spread the leaf in a petri dish. Add few drops of tincture iodine solution or betadine solution. Again, observe the leaf. Observation: the leaf turns blue-black in color. Inference: the presence of starch will be indicated by blue-black color. So, if starch is present in the leaf, in the presence of iodine solution or betadine solution, it turns into blue-black in color. So, this is presence of starch, a type of carbohydrate in leaves activity. Now, important factors or materials. Factors are materials essential for the process of photosynthesis. You know equation of photosynthesis: 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2 in the presence of light and chlorophyll. This is very important equation. Already you know it is given by Robert Hill. This is balanced equation. There are two factors are essential for the process of photosynthesis: external factors and internal factors. External factors are carbon dioxide and light. Carbon dioxide and light. Internal factors are chloroplast and water. Chloroplast or chlorophyll and water. And other factors also required for the process of photosynthesis. They are temperature and enzymes. These are important factors for the process of photosynthesis. Now, water and photosynthesis. Von Helmont found that water is essential for the increase of plant mass. That is his observation. So, water is very important for process of photosynthesis. Thank you.